Hi there. A friend once told me that a sure sign of a procrastinator is one who uh, spends too much time rearranging his desk rather than doing his work. I guess I fit that definition because I've been, redoing my space. Anybody who's watched any of my videos in the past knows that some of them were shot in my office with the backdrop of my computer, the TV on the wall, and so on. Well, all that is over there, behind the camera now. I've turned everything around. Now, I did shoot some videos in this direction, but not many. Then it came to me that, I had moved everything out to another room. I was shooting my videos in front of a bookcase. I thought it looked okay, but it meant that my lights, my camera, everything were all out in another room. I was taking up space that I really shouldn't have been. So, today, as part of my we are staying at home because, we are observing the mandatory, voluntary period of social distancing. I know, funny way to put it, but let's face it, we all should be doing it. I'm not going to get into the issues of virus control and so on. Too many people are dwelling too much on that. The information you need is out there. Go find what you need. Don't dwell on it. Don't just watch endless videos on news reports on it. Instead, just get the information that is important to you and move on. And most importantly, follow the guidelines that have been set down. Anyhow, enough about that. I said that wasn't going to be my topic, and it isn't. Instead, my space here is. I have stolen an old chair from the other room. I have cleaned out the middle of my room. I now have a nice area where I can lay my coffee. Everything I need is within easy reach. I have a little table here that I can put things on. And my camera and lights don't have to move. In fact, when I move over to my computer, I can just pop the card out of my camera, pop it right into my computer card reader without getting out of my chair. So, that was my goal today. My goal today was to set things up so I could start making videos like this. Now, let's talk about videos, and let's talk about what photographers are doing at this time. As I said in my last video, I feel for the photographers who are dependent upon photography for a living because some of you are suffering now. Business is practically nil. Being a hobbyist, my biggest concern was just stay in photography, just stay at it, even though I don't have a lot to do. Well, there have been 2 or 3 things that have come up online. Last time I gave some suggestions. This time I'm going to pass on some suggestions from others. My local camera club, the Focus Camera Club of Moncton, New Brunswick, on their Facebook page, somebody came up with the suggestion of, let's do videos of our pictures. So a couple of people started doing just that, a video of their photography. Very simple, just a music soundtrack and a slideshow. But it gave people something useful to do, and it gave them a chance to share images. And of course, since we're doing little videos, most people now pick a theme. Like one person picked eagles, and they had a whole bunch of very good eagle pictures. Another person did street photography in Mexico, because they used images from a previous trip to Mexico, put them together into a slideshow. All sorts of things like that have been done. That is a really good thing. It's something that keeps people motivated. It keeps people working at this hobby. Another local photographer, has put up a Facebook page where she says, document yourself for this time. Every day, take a picture. Show us what you're doing. Show us how you're dealing with, being pretty much under house arrest, I guess you might say. I've only gone out to buy groceries. That's about it. Anyhow, these are all very good suggestions that are very useful for keeping people motivated and keeping them busy. Because that's the biggest problem with being stuck at home. And that is finding things to do that feel to you like something useful. That feel to you like you're not just sitting around wasting your time. So anyhow, not much more to say in this particular video. I'm going to end it with one of my videos, a very simple little one of my little Lego adventure that I'm tacking on to the end of this video. I hope you enjoy it. If you enjoy this video, please give me a like. If you would like to see more of my videos, then please subscribe to this channel. And of course, if you think somebody can get something useful from this video, then by all means share it. A little warning about the video that's coming. All I did was take basically what was a PowerPoint presentation and put it into video format. So the transitions are rather abrupt. But rather than go back and try to edit everything, I said, hey, it's just a sample. So anyhow, guys, stay safe, be kind to each other, follow the guidelines, and of course, bye for now.